Okay, guys. So let's just go on, and let's say that we want to choose a transducer. Okay. So we can maybe just go with, let's see, carbon. Okay, yes, here are different protocols that you can choose from. Okay, good. And right now we really don't see much of the image on our screen here, but if I may just increase the brightness, what you will see is that the image is going to no, and we will actually now you can actually see something here. Now why we have it at this mode here, I just want to show you guys some of the the keys. Now here this is actually what we call the TCG, and all that total compensation gain curve, where we actually had different slots for different depths. This one here was for the most superficial depths, and as we go down, it's more and more and more deep. Now I'm just going to go a little bit backwards, and just try to let me just increase the gain on our superficial, or let's say close to this one here. Okay, so I may just going to move it over here, and that's me going to increase the compensation, and you're going to see what's going to happen to the image. Do you see that white line that appeared? That's mainly because I increased the compression. Sorry. And here just decrease it, and it disappears. Okay, I can do it down to one of the lower ones, and you're going to see a similar white streak is going to appear across the screen. Deeper down on our image. You see. Okay, so that's how you mainly can set your setting. Now ideally it mainly should be something like these two here over at minimum, and and these slowly just increase until the lowest one should be at close to maximum, and you can maybe see that's so that would be our image. Now on your screen, you guys see these numbers here. That's actually our depth. So we can see now we have a depth of 4 centimeters in this image here. Now we can actually increase the depth. Now let me just show you guys the button for that one. That's this one, and it pretty much just say depth right here. Now again, for any of these knobs, if you want to increase something, you turn clockwise. You want to decrease, you turn anti-clockwise. So I'm just going to focus on the screen, and what you actually will see is that and I'm going to say whether I'm turning it clockwise or anti-clockwise, and you will find out the changes on yours on the depth of the image. So you can see right now it's anything between 1 to 4 centimeters, and I'm just going to start turning it clockwise. So most likely the depth is going to increase. So you see 4 is moving up. That means we actually are going deeper. And now you can see a 6 down there at the bottom. Okay, and we may just increasing the depth. Okay, so that just decrease it back. So I'm not just going to turn it anti-clockwise, and the depth is mainly just going to decrease. The depth of my image is decreasing. So now we mainly back to 4 centimeters. And now these clocks here, if that's what you want to call it. Okay, yes, hourglasses. That's actually indicating our focus. So right now, okay, yes, our focal zone is okay anything between yes, okay, 1 to okay 1 1/4 to yes, okay 2 1/2 or 2 3/4 of a centimeter. That's okay. Yes, actually our focus. Right now you can see yes, okay, right here. This is our yes, okay, what was supposed to be the color map, but right now we are mainly yes, okay, just in regular brightness mode. Now, for me to, for instance, turn any of these other modes on, okay, yes, you may will have to yes, okay, press onto your onto the center button here. So that's me what I'm going to do. And okay, yes, you can actually increase the power flow or decrease the power flow. Yes, okay, by rotating this button. So let me just turn it on first, and you guys will see that okay, most likely we will have a color map appear onto the screen. So yes, okay, here we are back, and I'm just going to turn on our color flow mode. And here you go. So here you actually can see the color map that has been chosen. Sorry, it's a little bit of reflection, but that's okay. Down here we have negative Doppler shift and positive Doppler shift. And here you actually can see that's okay angle that has been okay, yes, steered. Now some of you may say yes, okay, how is it that we change this one here? And for that, okay, yes, I'm just going to bring your attention back down to this screen. Now right here you may see that okay, right, it says now angle steer is a 20 degree. And now right next to this window here is okay, yes, a knob. So if you want to, for instance, yes, okay, change the angle, you may yes, okay, just turn this this button here. So yes, okay, we can actually turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise. So yes, okay, I'm just going to do the very same, and you will actually see how it affects on, or how it actually flips on our image or on our screen. So yes, okay, this is how it is. I may just do it now. I'm just turning it clockwise. So you see, yes, okay, the angle actually steered. Okay, and okay, yes, I turn it clockwise again, and I'm going to turn it clockwise once more. And okay, yes, it mainly just steered. Okay, so yes, okay, you can mainly yes, okay, just keep on turning it clockwise, and okay, yes, the angle will steer. Okay, that was the end of okay, yes, the possibly third video, and I'll be back in a short second.